Eggs, exploring the best and worst types of eggs. Hello dears, how are you? Today I want to talk to you about the difference between quality and poor quality eggs, so stay with me. Eggs are a versatile and nutritious food enjoyed by many people around the world. From simple breakfast dishes to complex culinary creations, eggs have found their way into countless recipes. I will delve into the realm of eggs and explore the best and worst types, highlighting their unique characteristics, flavors, and culinary applications. Whether you're an egg enthusiast or curious about the different varieties available. 1. The best types of eggs. Organic eggs. Organic eggs are laid by hens that are raised on organic feed, free from synthetic pesticides, antibiotics, and hormones. They are considered healthier options due to their higher nutrient content and lower risk of chemical contamination. Discuss their rich flavor, vibrant yolks, and highlight their appeal to health-conscious individuals. Free-range eggs. Free-range eggs come from hens that have access to outdoor areas where they can roam and forage. These eggs are often associated with improved animal welfare practices and may have a richer taste compared to conventional eggs. Discuss the benefits of free-range eggs, such as enhanced omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D content. Pasture-raised eggs. Pasture-raised eggs come from hens that spend a significant portion of their time outdoors, grazing on grass and foraging for insects. These eggs are known for their intense flavor, deep yellow yolks, and nutrient density. Explain how the hen's natural diet contributes to the superior taste and quality of pasture-raised eggs. 2. The worst types of eggs. Battery cage eggs. Battery cage eggs, also known as conventional eggs, come from hens that are typically raised in small, crowded cages. These eggs are often associated with concerns about animal welfare and the environmental impact of large-scale egg production. Discuss the ethical considerations and highlight the importance of supporting more humane and sustainable egg production methods. Commercially processed eggs. Commercially processed eggs, such as liquid eggs or egg substitutes, are often made from a mixture of egg whites, yolks, and additives. While they offer convenience, they may lack the taste and nutritional value of fresh eggs. Explain the differences between processed eggs and fresh eggs, emphasizing the importance of reading labels and choosing whole, unprocessed options whenever possible. Old or expired eggs. Eggs that have passed their expiration date or are excessively old can pose health risks due to the potential growth of harmful bacteria. Educate your audience on proper egg storage, shelf life, and how to determine whether an egg is fresh or past its prime to avoid unpleasant experiences and ensure food safety. Conclusion. Eggs come in various types, each with its own distinct qualities and characteristics. By exploring the best and worst types of eggs, you can provide your audience with valuable information about their origins, flavors, and benefits. Remember to emphasize the importance of choosing eggs that align with individual preferences, dietary needs, and ethical considerations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.